Welcome, welcome. Come into your space, standing in a mountain pose, finding your breath, feeling your feet rooted right onto the earth. Top of the head reaches up. Inhale up as you breathe down to forward fold. Find jackknife, back down. Inhale up, reaching through the arms. Pull it down to the heart. Inhale, exhale, forward fold. Inhale, jackknife. Exhale, fold. Breathe it up as you lengthen and find space in the body. Arrive in your practice with this breath. Breathing down, back up to jackknife, back down. Fingertips stretching, spine is long. Stepping open into 5-point star and then extending arms out from the shoulders, getting ready for triangle. So reaching, rotating, keeping the body open, long lines. The hand can stay lifted or it can come behind your back, whatever feels best. Make sure there's no shoulder strain. Reaching up again, lifting, back up into your triangle. Reach and then up for the sky. Triangle to the other side. So just taking your time to rotate the feet. Windmill down. Relax the arm wherever you'd like it to be. Make sure the neck is comfortable. Preparing to lift back up. 5-point star. Hands come to the waist. Prepare for a forward bend. Maybe adjust the feet out a bit, then forward into your jackknife. Wide legs. Top of the head reaches out. Hands can stay at the waist or come all the way to the floor. You may need to widen your stance a bit. Take a deep stretch if you like, walking to one side and the other. You're bending the knee of the direction that you're going. Taking your time, working out stiffness, stretching the inside of that lengthened leg, coming back to the center. I'm bringing blocks in here to use for the next part of the triangle series. We'll be repeating triangle a couple of times. So lifting back up, finding your full straight stance, extend arms up, breathe down to the heart, back up, out, triangle. Either side, we're doing both. Find that reach, extend. Now you can rest the hand on the inside of the leg or grab the block for a little more support to hold this. Deep breath in and out. Full inhale, full exhale. Gather your thoughts and push them away if they're intruding on your practice. Just be in this space now. Reaching arm back up, preparing to lift out of triangle. Reaching again, windmilling down into runner's lunge. So find that full extension in runner's lunge, then you're going to walk across your mat over to the other side to find a runner's lunge on the other side. Lifting up into your triangle. Again, resting on the block or hand against the leg. Comfort for the arm, whether you tuck it behind the body or keep it lifted. Inhale, exhale, breathe that arm up, lifting. One more reach and triangle. Turning back to find your 5-point star, hands come together. Step together, find mountain, hands at the heart or at your side. Balanced, strong, Tadasana, mountain pose. Feeling landed, settled, and perhaps move the blocks out of the way, finding your way back to mountain. Standing tall, breathing, noticing presence in the practice. Inhale up, step back into a 5-point star, reaching through all points. Reaching for triangle again, leaning, hip pokes out, rotate down to runner's lunge. Walking across your mat to the other side, runner's lunge. Preparing to lift into triangle on that side. Lifting up. Rotate your runner's lunge to walk to the center of your mat. Anchoring the feet, bringing them in a bit. This time, toes point to the edge of the mat, coming into a squat. So if this support you as you bend, getting a deep stretch through the thighs, through the back of the buttocks. Inhale, exhale. Now this stretch takes you up, reaching. Hands down to the heart. Inhale up, exhale down. Finding triangle again. Reaching, rotating down. Stretching back, just taking that full stretch. Coming forward, finding plank, lowering to the ground. Inhale to downward dog. Full dog, walking the legs in. Find your forward fold. Jackknife. Breathe down, forward fold. And then coming all the way up, arms sweep up, reach, stretch, down to forward fold. Preparing to step into your wide stretch. The mat so that the left leg is extended. You're in runner's lunge. Leg comes back. You're coming into plank again. Lowering to the ground, forehead light touch, lifting up, upward dog. Forehead down again. Pushing back, finding a long stretch before you come forward, downward dog. Take your time, walking into forward fold. Inhale, jackknife. Exhale, fold. Sweeping arms up, find your way all the way up, down to the heart. Breathe. Be present. Let anything go that you don't need in this moment. Grounded, landed, find gratitude in this space. Arms release to the side as you come to the front of your mat. Sweep arms up, down to your forward fold. Stepping back again into plank, down to the ground. Forehead reaches to the mat, lifting up, back down, curl toes under, downward dog. Lifting. One leg for 3-leg dog, either leg. You can keep that leg straight or you can open the dog. If you know yoga, you'll know how to take that open dog, bring that leg down, and then find your walking down dog just to stretch it out before you take it to 3-leg dog on the other side, whenever you're ready. So again, a reach or a folding that heel in toward the buttock and then lifting the knee, turning your torso out. Finding open dog, or again straight, strong arms supporting you. Let that leg float back down, full stretch in your down dog. Breathe your way into plank, upward dog, pull back, full arm stretch, semi-child. Take that back and forth vinyasa from up dog to child. Just moving with the breath. Inhale your way forward. Exhale your way back. Full, deep, flowing breath. Feel every stretch. Curl toes under, lift into plank. Hold that plank. Can be a knee down or it can be a full knee lifted. Find down dog. Lift the sits bones up. Walk into forward fold. Jackknife. Breathe your way to forward fold. Sweep arms out as you come up. Breathe the hands down to the heart. Find your balance. Find your breath. Always stop and pause this tape to take water if you need. Relax your face. Swallow. Let the throat soften. Be centered. Be aware. Just notice your body. How's it feeling? No judgment, simply being aware. Deep inhale, exhale. Sweep arms up. Stepping out and wide. Preparing for goddess. So arms come into cactus. Toes are slightly pointed out as you sit into your goddess pose. Sweep arms up, straighten the legs, flow with your goddess. Take it down, take it up, and down. Gentle movement, only going as far down as your knees will be happy. Breathing, hands at the waist, moving the goddess from side to side. So try to go straight one side and then over to the other. Again, being mindful. If the knees are unhappy, then make this a smaller movement. Straight back, shoulders relaxed, hands come back into cactus arms and then rotate the arms. One arm up, one arm down. It's a smooth flow. There's no contest or how fast, just getting that flexibility through the arms. Control movement. Back into full goddess, extend arms up, 5-point star. Arms back out to the side. Lean into your triangle. Rotate down, runner's lunge. And then taking it back into plank, coming all the way to the ground. Lifting into your plank again, and down. Lifting, coming back, stretch into the child, come forward, downward dog, smoothly flowing, walking into forward fold, slowly lifting up, hands overhead, down to the heart, open to 5-point star, getting ready for another triangle to the side. Arms extend. Take this triangle over to your left. Rotate into your triangle. Down into runner's lunge to finish the series. Plank to the ground. Light forehead touch. Lifting up, upward dog. Curl the toes. Plank back down to the ground. Breathe your way up. Stretch back into child. Downward dog. Walking into that forward fold to lift yourself up. Inhale. Bring it down to the heart. Find your way right into your mountain pose. Breathe. Be present. Take your practice out into the world as you step off the mat. Namaste.